Hello, everyone, and welcome to the inaugural AMAG Technology 30-Second Challenge. My name is Jeff LeBlanc, Vice President of Client Services here at AMAG Technology. Today, I'll be showing you our Symmetry GUEST Visitor Identity Management System. I will be attempting to pre-register a visitor that is not known to Symmetry GUEST, and I'm going to try to do this in under 30 seconds. So here we go. I got to start my stopwatch. Okay, I log into the system as a host. I hit the new visit button. I start entering the information about the visit. You can see the visitor is not known to the system. I'm going to enter the email of the visitor. I'm going to make sure that they get the notification. I'm going to say what company they work for. And I'm going to go ahead and save the visit. Keeping score at home here, I think it was about 28 seconds to go ahead and do that. Now, why was I able to do that so quickly and intuitively? Well, because things like defaulting to a 5 p.m. departure time, defaulting to your standard visit type even when there are other options, and defaulting to the building where the host resides, making it very quick and easy promoting buy-in within your organization. Thank you, and look forward to seeing you at our next AMAG Technology 30-Second Challenge.